Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best motorcycle jackets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Stealth Men's Motorcycle Jacket. You will love this jacket for the excellent protection and safety. It's made of 600 denier fabrics and can handle the impact, bangs, and is very durable. The accessory is 100% waterproof to stop moisture and rain and keep you dry during the rainy days. It has a 3-way lining for extra strength and warmth and a smooth interior for additional comfort. Additionally, it also features a padded collar and foam on the shoulder, elbow, and back for better safety in case of a fall or accident. The excellent breathability keeps you cozy and cool during the hot sunny days. Moving on at number 4, we have the Men's Motorcycle Jacket. Your safety and comfort will improve when wearing this motorcycle jacket. It targets male riders, bikers, and is made of a sturdy 600 denier material. The accessory has a smooth interior for a nice feel and good insulation for extra warmth and comfort. It features a 6-point Sure Fit system for a nice fit and is also easy to adjust. What's more, the elbows and shoulders are padded for better protection from bangs, knock and fall, and also include a CE spine protector as an option. The accessory is lightweight, easy to wear and maintains its good locks for a long time. At number 3, we have the classic police-style leather motorcycle jacket. You will like this motorcycle jacket for the warmth, safety, and good protection. The sturdy construction can endure scratches, fading, regular use and frequent washing. It is very waterproof and will ensure you stay dry, especially on the rainy days. The smooth interior feels nice and warm, where the jacket's lightweight improves wearability. In addition, it consists of several interior and exterior pockets for holding different items and a full sleeve for extra protection. The padded collar and foam on the back, shoulder, and elbow boasts safety in case of fall, while the excellent breathability keeps you cool even in high heat or after extreme riding. At number 2, we have the motorcycle jacket for men. Enjoy the best warmth and protection when biking by adorning this trendy motorcycle jacket. It's built using high-grade Tri-Tex fabric and is resistant to scratches, weather, and wind as well. It is easy to wear thanks to the simple design and has a durable zipper for the best fit. Besides that, the breathable fabric improved free airflow while reducing sweating, whereas the polycarbonate armor improves protection. The jacket has interior and exterior pockets for storing sunglasses, keys, cards and other things, while the polyester quilted interior enhances comfort. And finally at number 1, we have the classic, 92 leather motorcycle jacket. This brown, cream jacket is among the popular motorcycle jackets for men. The large-size jacket has an excellent fit and is tailored using high-strength drum-dyed cowhide to resist abrasion, ripping, tear and wear. The classic-looking garment is lightweight and can be worn for extended periods without feeling too heavy. In addition to that, it also has good breathability for optimum air circulation to keep you cool during the hot days. The zip-in quilted liner improves protection and comfort, whereas the 4 outside pockets and 2 inside pockets provide adequate storage points. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.